Nutcase by Hanayama, a simple piece of hardware. 2 balls, 2 nuts. Objective, find the hidden nut. It looks easy at first glance, but becomes an ordeal when you start. You can spin the nuts forever, but you will never get anywhere by just unscrewing them. The trick is very simple. All you need to do is to find the right positions of the 2 nuts and have a lot of patience in some case. I'm going to move this nut close to the head of this bolt. Just keep a small gaps. These nuts I'm going to bring back to the middle by center. Something like that maybe. Just going to pull on the 2 balls. Like you can see, some move slightly. I'm going to move this one along the thread toward the head of this bolt. Now we go slowly until we find the right positions. I can be quick, and that sometimes I can take sometimes. I can see that. Oof. More, not yet. This bolt is not okay. Okay, now I'm going to move a little more this ball close to this head to reposition this nuts. Looks like okay. Okay, move this one. Okay. Okay, every time you move the nut, just pull on the ball. Like you can see, we have a 2 big opening. What you have to do is just bring back this nut on the opening. You do the same with the other nuts. And we have successfully separated the 2 balls and find the hidden nuts. To put back, but pass back the little nuts. These 2 parts go together. Just slide them. Okay, I lost the little nuts, but let's see. I'm gonna try to pass it. Okay. And this. We need to find again the right positions to put back the puzzle in this original state. Okay, just back. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, no, it's back in its original state. Okay, and that's the way to solve Nutcase by Hanayama. To get the Nutcase puzzle by Hanayama for yourself, check out Puzzle Master website, link in the description. And until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.